once when I was in D.C., I decided not to tell anybody it was my birthday, and nobody really knew me, and nobody knew it was my birthday. I didn't tell anybody about that.
Well, you
Never
are not
wrote
in
that down.
D.C.
I want to go to D.C. Someday before I die, I'm going to D.C.
DC isn't too bad.
I'm gonna freaking travel, man. I'm doing it.
I'm going to go to India.
It's on my bucket list. I'll go with you, Allison.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. I'd like to
All
travel.
right,
Is
all
this
right.
being recorded?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Wow, that is so bright. Now
I
I
know,
see
right?
dots.
Yeah, Allison.
Wow, that's actually gonna make my eyes
So
water.
I did add a little glitter to the package
Looks good.
that you can wash that.
It's purplish.
Yes.
What is your favorite
But
color?
you are not
darling?
afraid to be,
Good question.
purple.
I have a couple.
That's what I like so many colors. It's hard to have a favorite.
I
Yeah.
know.
That's beautiful.
And that's a high, vibrational color.
I mean, I love purple. I love turquoise blue.
Mhm.
Pink.
I like a lot of greens too.
Yeah, green.
Yes.
It's glitterific.
It is glitterific, yeah. Got a little carried away.
You're gonna be fabulous, darling.
Absolutely
You
You're
know,
gonna be fabulous.
I probably had like a half a dozen shirts like this in my life.
Really?
How did you know that I would like them?
Aren't they stylish? I don't know. Blue's a pretty color and it's dressy, and I never really see you wear dressy
I mean,
stuff.
it's kind of like an office. It's kind of like what you wear for the office. But I've always had shirts like this.
Sure.
Yeah, you'll be rocking out that new outfit.
Yeah.
You wear to the beach with like khakis.
Yeah, I wear my castles.
Mhm.
When I drive the minivan.
There you
The
go.
mall.
Now you might have to shake that to open it.
Oh, you know Twilight from Twilight and
No,
how
I mean
the
shake the
vampires
lid
sparkle?
so the bottom comes out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
You know from Twilight how the vampires sparkle in the sun? You remind me of that.
I didn't really ever see Twilight.
Well, apparently, like, I didn't see much of it, but the vampires, like, would sparkle in the sunlight. And it looks like you're sparkling right now because you have glitter. So it's like, remind me of a vampire.
No, man.
You're sparkling in the sunlight. Do you have something to tell us, Donna?
Not,
These are things.
An electric nose hair remover.
It looks like it looks like something that would be beneficial.
I was only kidding with you. Oh.
You know, this is a Dremel.
A Dremel, and it drills.
It drills in the sands. It does whatever little tool you put on there. It does all kinds of things.
Oh, that's nice.
These are really useful. And I do use them. You can sharpen them.
Excellent. You can put all kinds of different like lengths of thingy poppers on them.
Yeah, they have little bits. Some of them are grinders and some of them are burrs.
A lanyard.
Oh yeah. That looks like you could never lose it.
No,
It doesn't open.
you can put anything on it.
Yeah.
Mhm. Crystals. A phone. Anything. You can even decorate it.
Keys.
Keys.
Yeah, that'd be great.
They're more useful. The keys. Yeah.
And hippie beads. Hippie beads. Where did you get that?
Isn't that cool?
You know, this is the strangest thing.
What?
My father was an Air Force officer.
Are you
He
serious?
wore wings exactly.
I have a
like-
few of those.
That's amazing.
Isn't that cool? And if you look at the back, you can like they have two little pins and the little things you squeeze, and then you can pull them out. You can put them on like a jacket or like jeans or like a hat.
That is nice.
Yeah.
You know, when you become a pilot, they say you get your wings. And these are the wings. These are the wings that you wear.
Or you become an angel.
Well, you got your wings, Donna.
Okay.
I want my wings. I want wings, man. Like, just white angel wings.
I'd like a tattoo of wings.
On your. Yeah, that'd be cool too.
Maxwell House on me, so I can show my love of coffee.
Yes. Yes.
It looks painful to wear, actually.
Well, not on the head. Maybe.
My ears are.
Maybe like a Starbucks coffee cup.
Maybe. Genuine hippie beads.
Isn't that cool? And you can unscrew it so it'll fit like right around your neck. It looks like a beachy thing.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, take it.
Isn't that pretty?
It could be like a bracelet for emaciated people.
You could, put it around a few times,
No, I think it looks better like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Or is it jewelry for emaciated?
I could, add a few charms to it if you wanted. You can unscrew that, and then it would really fit.
Mhm.
Mhm. See?
Yeah, you
Yes,
see
yes, yes. But I think it would look really good with the khakis and the blue shirt. Don't you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
I do
The
too.
minivan.
Yeah, yeah. Well, not the minivan. Maybe some sandals, some Birkenstocks.
Mm.
And some dreadlocks.
That's a for
Just a thought.
those weird rubber shoes that people wear.
Oh, those
Crocs.
Crocs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Crocs.
I
River,
prefer
river
Crocs to
Crocs. Yes, yes,
I
yes.
prefer Crocs with socks.
Yes, 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 yes.
it. Yeah.
Yes.
I have nothing profound to say. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I wasn't really prepared to give a speech.
It's okay.
It's because you're wondering why I called you on this.
Yes. Well, we called you here.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yes, that's right.
No, we just kidnapped him.
Yes, 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 yes.
You know, I was thinking about that Jude guy kidnapping somebody.
Isn't that freaky?
If you kidnap somebody, you'd have to restrain them. You'd have to feed them. You'd have to give them water, and you'd have to somehow.
I think he somehow might have gotten her a little messed up. And then he said that at one time his bedroom used to be connected to his attic. Mhm.
What?
His attic.
Well, that's even worse.
Yeah, it's a little scary.
That's even worse.
With like a crawl space or something.
Creepy.
That's very
Hey, Donald. Yeah, one more present on it open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's some more things in that bag though.
Oh, okay.
There
Well,
is.
after hers.
Oh, okay. It's a big bag.
Yeah, I noticed you like
It's a
to go
small-
all out with
All out. I really,
Yeah,
really.
she does.
These are wires. One goes to a computer. I think they all go to electronics.
You want me to jump through hoops?
Ah,
You can.
like a dolphin.
Yeah, this is that's a cable.
For like
From
an.
a VCR.
Okay.
It's a coax.
And one's for a computer. Correct?
Yeah, that looks like a phone cord.
A phone one. Okay.
And then a Cat 5.
And what's that one?
And this is another coax cable.
Okay.
Like for TV. Like hooking up a VCR to a television.
Okay, okay.
You know, it's an adapter to animate yourself.
It has like a round thingy, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like a laptop charger.
Yeah, it could be something.
actually, I think that adapter went to something that got broke.
It's 12 volts.
It was at a yard sale.
Oh, is it a yard sale? Okay, I had another adapter that looked like that too.
You know, today I was charging a tool battery, a drill battery,
Mhm.
with the wrong charger.
Mhm.
It worked. It was working.
Really?
But I turned it off
What?
because I was afraid it was low.
Yeah,
Oh.
I don't think that'd be a good idea to use the wrong charger one.
Yeah, I wouldn't leave it on, but I kept checking it was a